Hi, I'm Karina Kensis, Regional Territory Manager with VS America, and I'm here with the Stakki. Stakki is our newest indoor-outdoor chair that comes in 4 colors and is available in 18 inches high. Stakki is incredibly lightweight and can really go anywhere with you. It's made of a monoblock mold, which eliminates stress points and could eliminate any potential failure. It offers multi-positional sitting, forwards, sideways, as well as backwards. It stacks up 10 high. In today's world, the need for versatility is ever more prevalent. Where you work, socialize, learn, or engage is really a fluid process, and you need a product that can help support that. The Stakki can offer you a seat wherever you might be. Visit our website for more information.